about to figure out how to work this thing, man. Why it don't zoom? Oh, zooming is not supported with full HD, man, so you just have to be good with that. Dennis put up this big sign right here today while I was drinking coffee in the truck. I can't help it. It was some good coffee, man. It looks pretty. This coffee looks pretty good, Dennis. Dennis, you did a fine job. If you can make it down that ladder without falling off that, it'll be good. Let's get a long view. I don't know, I have my coffee first and then we'll think about that. Through the middle of that thing ain't no ball game. Got some electrical wires. Well, the service comes over the top. It's attached to the top piece of panel clip, then drops down inside that vinyl. And let me film Dennis. If it falls off that ladder, we won't have it on tape. That's some funny stuff, man. If Dennis falls off the ladder. Well, not today, maybe next time. But then it comes down right there at the weatherhead. All right, Dennis, so we can catch Dennis dropping the ladder, evidence. Things are expensive, buddy. Dennis gonna demonstrate proper ladder carrying technique through the bushes. Holly bushes. Damn, Dennis. Dennis, you kicked his ass, man. What's Lucky Boy's here to see you. Come back here in the shade. We'll get a long view of that monstrous, just obscene vehicle. Sign truck. Dennis, you need me to do anything? Later.